Alright, guys, it is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. It is 12:26 p.m. Alright, guys, let's head off into these headlines. This is pretty much about Roanoke area in Virginia because of the flooding that's happening. Let's start here on Twitter. Since I have a whole bunch of posts from people sharing the information, I'm going to share the information as well. Share the warning forward to the people who live in the Roanoke, Virginia area. Okay, it says evacuations underway at the Ramada Hotel in downtown Roanoke, where the river has reached the first level. The city is sheltering homeless here, so it's a serious situation to move them safely while waters continue to rise. And here are the pictures by Peter Forrester. Look at that. Flooding at this hotel where people are sheltering the homeless. Just water rising. Alright, so AccuWeather. An onslaught of heavy rain triggered life-threatening flooding in the Appalachians of North Carolina and Virginia, forcing evacuations in Roanoke. Meteorologists concerned for a general 4 to 8 inches of rain and flooding from Charlotte to Roanoke. Let's take a look quickly here at the flooding potential. Roanoke area and North Carolina, all the way down to Charlotte and parts of Raleigh. Okay, so we got flash flooding, mudslides, and road closures, travel disruptions, flood potential extensive from Roanoke all the way to Charlotte, widespread and localized flooding also. 4 to 8 inches of rain, possible flooding from Charlotte to Roanoke. The flooding is serious in Roanoke this morning. This is how Roanoke River looks outside of Carolian Roanoke Memorial. It is 15 feet high and rising from Taj Simmons. And here is the picture of the water rising. Alright. We have here Carter Turner flooding near my house in Roanoke County, Virginia at 10:30 a.m. this morning. Will get much worse as the day goes along. So you see here the flooding going on by the river here in Virginia. Water is coming out of the dam at Spring Valley Lake on Lake Drive in Roanoke. No apparent damage at this point. Still appears to be under control, and people are inspecting the dam's integrity now. Locals have never seen this lake so high. 9:30 a.m. Flooding. Peter Forrester. Let's take a look at these pictures. Alright. There's the river flooding by the road. Water on one side, dry on the other. Well, sort of dry. Still river kind of coursing at the bottom of it. Alright, and then here we have a high risk in effect today for excessive rainfall outlook. Here is the high areas of excessive outlook, 50% higher in the high area of Roanoke and North Carolina. So we have a high risk of excessive rainfall today. Alright guys, let's take a look here at what's happening right now coming into the South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia area. More rain. Alright guys, let's zoom into this so you could see the rain popping in. More rain bubbling off from offshore and bringing more rain on land to North Carolina, Roanoke area. So it's pretty much just more rain coming in. That's not going to help the flooding. And then we have here flash flood warnings for central North Carolina, Raleigh, and for western Virginia, southwest Virginia, and North Carolina. We got lakeshore flooding, flood warning, and flash flood watches all the way up here in North Carolina and Virginia because of the rain. And here you see the warnings happening over Virginia and North Carolina here. More Heavy rain, flash flooding possible in the red area here in North Carolina. Also here in Kansas, parts of Colorado, Nebraska, and Oklahoma. Severe thunderstorms possible here in Oklahoma. Alright, and then we have here again the marginal high above 50% chances of rain for Virginia. So it's pretty much a warning for Virginia, Roanoke area. Hit like and subscribe for more information. Share it if you need to for the people that live in that area to be aware. And God bless you guys. See you guys next time.